guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this LED ring light. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of any new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here a LED fill light. So again, this is an LED light, and the cost of this LED ring light is 25 bucks. So I just bought this one online, and again, we'll see if what is the quality of this ring light. If do you think, and again, we will see what's in this ring light, the capability. Okay, so again, it comes with the tripods here. So I'm gonna start with the tripod. So basically, the quality of the tripod, it's very light, very light. So again, what do you expect? 25 bucks, right? So again, this is the stand where you're gonna put your tripod here, for your ring light on the tripod. And again, we will see if what is the quality of this ring light. Okay, so this is the tripod. It's so light, guys. It's so light, super light. You can hear that it is so light materials that they used on this tripod. And again, here's the main one, which is the ring light, and we will see what it comes with this. So of course, they have so they have this for cell phone connection, that again you can put your cell phone here as your cell phone holder. So this is one thing that they have it on this package. And also they have this I didn't have any manuals, so anyway, so this is your where you put your ring light, and then attach this one to the tripod. And also we have this very tiny remote control. So they have their own remote control. You can do picture or a video on this one here. So we're gonna try that one later. So here we go. Again, this is the ring light, and the ring light has a choices of, the plus minus and how bright you want to. Okay, so yeah, again, there's no much exciting on this ring light, and they have maybe 1.5 meters long for the cable. So I think it's enough already to do some filming or something. So that's the other key on this. And they don't have any adapter, so for the USB going to your power outlet, so all you have to do is to provide an adapter. Okay, so but again, I already have an adapter here, and I'm going to show it to you how bright that this ring light is. And it's so light, honestly. It's so light. Maybe, I don't know, it's very light kind of materials. You can tell what's in here. And again, they have 3 options where you can put your cell phone. You can put in the middle, you can put on the side. So it depends where you want to put your the cell phone holder on this. But for now, we will see. I know it's not gonna be bright because my light here is so bright already, but I'm gonna try to connect this one just to show you how bright it is. And so you can press the power button, and that's it, right? So again, we're going to try this one. We'll see if, yeah. So they have different options here actually, and it's a minus. And I think, oh, they have different colors like blue. Oh, white. Yeah, it's a white. And then you can go. I think this is the only white that they can give you. This is the only bright that they can give on this ring light. So we're gonna try this one, and we'll see if I'm gonna put it on the other side and how bright it is. Okay, so I hope you will. Again, I can tell the brightness of this one here, but it seems like how many colors you get? One. Yeah, it's only two colors, three actually. Yeah, they have three colors that you can adjust on this one here, but it's very um, I think this one is good for TikToks or take some selfie or makeup something, because that's the only bright that you can get on this one here. So again, I'm going to try it on maybe on the dark side of this room, and then I will show it to you. So okay guys, this is the only brightest I can get from this ring light, and I don't know if it's enough power for this, but again, at least you have an idea. And this is the white, and this is a different color again. So basically they have three colors that you can pick. So again, this is a white one. Maybe this is the brightest white that I can get. And then second one, the third one, and then back to the white. So again, that's what you said, an honest review on this ring light. I think this is only good for like makeup or something, because you can see yourself or whatever, but that's about it. But for big vlogging or something, I think it's hard to say that this is enough power for your video. So guys, for my own perspective of this ring light, for me this is not enough lights power for the way I do my vlog. But again, for those who not really need for more lighting, I think this is already enough. And it's not too bright, because it's not you don't have any problem on your eyes because the power is not enough. So I think it's already okay. So again guys, you saw it already, how bright it is and how dark it is. And again, this this ring light, it's worth 25 bucks and Canadian. And again, you know, what you pay is what you get, right? So if you pay cheaper, of course the quality is gonna be cheap. So if you're gonna go an expensive one, 100% sure that they will give you a good result of what you paid, right? So again, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have new video uploaded on this channel. And also guys, please do share my videos to whoever likes a ring light. Maybe this one give you some thoughts or something. So again, if you have any comment, please do comment below. And again, thank you for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.